Hi, everyone. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter the Hogwarts Legacy out-of-video memory error. One of the possible reasons for encountering this error is because the graphics driver is out of date. Additionally, if you have overclocked your graphics card, you may be more likely to encounter such errors. Due to many problems like this, we may encounter such an error. In this guide, we will try to solve you with 5 suggestions titles. Users who increase the virtual memory state that they do not encounter such a problem again. If you don't know how to increase virtual memory, carefully follow the step I showed in the video. First, type run in the start search screen and open it. Type the code I showed in the video into the search screen and click the OK button. Go to the Advanced option on the top tab and click the Settings button under the Performance heading. In the new window that opens, select the Advanced option and click the Change button in the Virtual Memory subheading. In the new window, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then select the System Disk and check the Custom Size option. Before performing this operation, we will need to check how many gigabytes of RAM you have. For this, let's check the RAM memory. Since my RAM memory is 8 gigabytes, I will convert it to megabytes and multiply by 1.5 and write the result to initial size and maximum size. After setting the virtual memory, let's press Set and then an OK button to save the operation. If my RAM memory was 16 gigabytes, I would convert it to megabytes and multiply it by 1.5. After the save process is complete, let's restart the computer and check if the problem persists. The fact that the graphics driver is not up to date causes the version to be unsupported for the newly released game, and many errors are encountered in the game. Therefore, we will need to check if the graphics driver is up to date. For this, download the appropriate graphics card application in the article and perform the installation process. If you are an AMD user, you can download it by accessing the link I showed. If you are an NVIDIA user, you can download by clicking the link I showed. After installing the application, run it and check if there is a new update. If a new update is available, update your graphics card driver and restart the computer to see if the problem persists. This recommendation applies to users who have already overclocked their graphics card. If you have overclocked your graphics card with the help of MSI Afterburner, we recommend disabling it. Run MSI Afterburner. Then set core clock and memory clock to 0. Save by clicking the Confirm button below. After the process is complete, run the game and check. Since many developed games benefit from the Net Framework library, we need to provide control. The lack of Net Framework on the device can cause us to encounter various problems like this. To install Net Framework, you can download and install it by clicking the link we listed in the article. If the library you are trying to install is already installed, you can repair it. After the installation is complete, restart the computer and check if the problem persists. Loss or corruption in game files can cause us to encounter various errors like this. Verifying game file integrity will help fix various in-game errors. If you are a Steam user, you can verify the file integrity of the game by following the step I showed in the video. If you are an Epic Games user, you can verify the file integrity of the game by following the step I showed in the video. After the verification process is complete, you can run the game and check if the problem persists. In this video title, we have provided information on how to fix Hogwarts Legacy out-of-video memory error. For more fixes, you can support the channel by subscribing. See you in the next video.